Come with me at the gym as I start my stretching before my workout today. So every day I use 5 minutes for this stretch. I try to do this in order to get my body relaxed and also prepare my body for the workout that I'm about to do. So today I was going to do a core workout throughout, and so I decided to get these stretches, make sure that my back, my entire body is relaxed and it's ready for everything that I'm about to do. This stretch has helped me a lot. Since I started it, I realized that my body is always healed. I'm able to heal faster even after workout, and I literally don't need a massage or anything, because before I started workout in January, I used to have this body aches. Actually want someone to massage me all the time. And the Ghanaians who are here, you guys will know. So I was using Aboniki all the time. That was my savior. But ever since I started doing this workout and I integrated the stretching, I have always been in good health. I've never ever really felt like needing a massage, even when I do carry a lot of heavy loads and other things. Today I went to Costco to grab a lot of things. I do my monthly grocery shopping. I needed laundry detergent and all that. It was quite heavy, and I was like, I still want to walk. I want to burn some calories. So instead of taking Uber, why don't I walk to the bus station and all that, which is quite a distance. And under normal circumstance, even when I was carrying the items, I felt it was really heavy and all. But once I get on the mat, once I begin to stretch, especially this particular one, going back and showing that my back cracks a little bit and taking my hand back to touch my other side, it actually helped me to release the pain that is in the body. So if you are the type of person that is always feeling body ache, especially those of you who work at the factories and all, you should try this type of stretching daily. Do it. It's a daily affair, even if you don't want to go to the gym, even if you don't want to do anything. I'm actually learning this. I think I'm not there yet, but I'm trying to see if I'll be able to have a 180 bicep of my two legs, and I'm still progressing. I see a little improvement ever since I started, but I know I'm not there yet. I know eventually I'll be there. I also put these dumbbells on my knees to ensure that it's giving flexibility in my hips, and so trying to make sure that it's able to do the bicep well. I'm still in the process of learning how to preparing my body to bicep, give me that 180 bicep. I try to do this kettlebell swinging, standing firm, and as well as kind of helping with my core. So God has entrusted to you. Every workout is an opportunity to build discipline, honor Him with your strength, and prepare yourself to serve others as well. Remember in 1 Timothy chapter 4 verse 8, it says, for physical training is of some value, but godliness has value for all things. It does not say physical training does not have any value. It has. So let's keep that in mind through the workout.